right now. We bought it for 22. It's about 2,100 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 1 bath.
I love this house.
Oh, the wraparound porch is adorable.
Yep.
So inside, it's a bit of a hot mess.
I can't wait. Let's
dive
go.
in.
Oh! Look what you brought me! This is Hoarder's Paradise. I'm gonna have so much fun in here. Oh, look at this hat with the feathers on it. I mean, that's fabulous.
It's fabulously upsetting.
What's upsetting about it?
I mean, someone might have peed in that hat.
Nope, no pee in this hat. So this would be the
Living room.
and then this is the formal parlor where you have your second door. Oh my goodness. Look at this refrigerator.
What I would like to try to ask you to do is not focus currently on salvaging, but try to get through the walkthrough of the property
parlor.
so we can make a plan.
All right.
So this will probably end up needing to be a bedroom.
Okay. And then in this floor plan, this would be the dining room. Oh yeah, you can see.
They're just using every space in the house for a bedroom, and it's crazy that you don't even notice it's not the first thing you see when you walk in.
Right.
There's beds in every single room.
all the piles. And so we can go back through this way.
Back here is where the epicenter of the fire is. This is like a little walkthrough. And this is the only bathroom in the house.
Oh my goodness.
I forgot how bad it was. Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
I mean, it's like a fake zombie set. Like the world has ended, it's apocalypse, and this is where you film the movie.
So this would be kitchen back here.
Yes. So nutty.
Oh, look at this stove.
This is so crazy. All right, let's head upstairs.
Okay.
Just pretty much 3 rooms, left, right, and straight ahead.
Okay. So I'm gonna go left first.
Again, I believe there's a bed under there. Just can't really tell. You now understand why all the budget is blown on literally just making this a house again. Like,
Yeah.
but
This is gonna be a big job.
not gonna be pretty. Oh my God, so many dumpsters of trash.
Yep, and there's at least 3 layers of siding.
Besides new siding and exterior paint, we're gonna have to take this house down to the studs to replace all the fire damage. That means all new framing, walls, windows, and floors. On the first floor, we'll create an open floor plan between the kitchen, dining, and living room, and we'll convert the parlor into another bedroom. Upstairs, we'll combine 2 of the bedrooms into a master suite with a new full bath and walk-in closet, so we'll end up with a 3-bed, 2.5-bath home.
I hope we paid nothing for this house.
We got it for 22. I'd like to keep our all-in construction cost around 200. Safe zone, we could sell it for 240. I think we can do better than that.
Okay. I'm gonna put a little seat on it on top of that.
Listen,
Nice. Nice.
call me Ludwig.
Is there anything else that Karen wanted to say?
I'm gonna say probably yes.
Anybody need a tea kettle?
We gotta make sure that everybody's off this back lean-to. Safety.
Wow, Tad.
Yeah.
I mean, even from here, I can tell a lot of progress.
No, it's come a long way. Clean,
Clean.
it's dry, it's mostly demoed, we're almost done. After we got everything out, found something that I wanted to show Karen.
Good surprise or bad surprise?
It's a good surprise.
Good surprise?
I found it.
I never get good surprises.
It's okay, I got you one today.
All right.
OMG. Look at this huge sliding door. We found it while we were demoing. But
It's an original.
yeah,
It's
no.
in the wall.
It is in the wall. That's a big old door.
That's a big door. Very
Hey,
exciting.
Oh.
Hey, look what Tad found.
Oh my gosh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Because this is either the third bedroom or the office.
Yeah.
It's kind of nice to be able to leave that there.
Saved money and added value.
Yes.
Woo!
We oiled the pocket door tracks so it opens and closes beautifully, and now Tad is going to help make it beautiful looking as well. I thought I was gonna have to sand it.
No sanding?
But watch.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, rub, rub, rub with steel wool.
Rub with steel
Then
wool.
just wipe it down with a dry rag to get as much off as you can.
Okay.
Clean the whole door.
Yeah.
And then you can move to the linseed oil.
Okay, sweet. Oh, so satisfying.
And you want to really get into those corners with your rag so you get all the soap and dirt out. Okay, bye.
All right, I'll make you proud, Mama.
Good boy.
We're turning the corner at our Talbot Street house. Outside, we're planting evergreens to provide some shade in the summer and a pop of color in the winter. Inside, we're laying cool gray tone vinyl plank floors that look like wood, but they're super durable. And in the kitchen, we're installing white marble countertops to make the space feel clean and elegant. We're down to the final touches at our Talbot Street house. MJ and Corey are installing legs that will support the kitchen island countertop and also play to our modern Victorian theme. We're gonna paint them dark gray to contrast with the light gray wood flooring.
Look at these bad boys.
That looks amazing.
Meanwhile, all of our furniture has arrived, so now we can get the house ready to show. Tomorrow is our first showing. We have a young mom and her 2 daughters who are looking to move closer to downtown, so we're really anxious to see what they think of our modern Victorian theme.
You ladies are the cutest ever. Look at those smiles.
My name is Brooke, and these are my daughters, Sydney and Sloan. And today we're looking for a house.
So what do you think?
I like it.
It's gorgeous.
Do you guys want to go inside?
Yes.
Okay. Come on in.
Oh, wow.
my God.
This is gorgeous. Wow, I love the colors.
It's very different than it was when we got it. One of the other really, really cool things that we didn't even find it during demo, we found it later, is this pocket door. It was framed back into the wall, but this one was absolutely perfect, and we just left it the way it was.
And it still has the original latch.
So come on into our study.
Oh,
Oh
wow.
my gosh.
So we set this up as a study, but it's technically the 3rd bedroom. You've got the closet, you've got windows for egress. Other than that, it really didn't change a ton.
I can see this being my bedroom.
Do you ladies do a lot of cooking?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna go check out the kitchen. Da, da, da.
Whoa! I hear the haws behind me, which is very exciting.
Before, you walked into this space just through a doorway, and it was a bigger mound than that was in the front, so you couldn't see anything. We pulled the kitchen up to the space that was likely the dining room, and then obviously everything's new.
And the wall, it's amazing.
We went a little crazy.
I love it,
And did a whole backsplash wall. We did a lot of cabinets over here. We like to double stack them. We did the island to match the surround, so that's marble also. And originally we didn't have these legs, but they're really pretty and cool and make it a little bit more charming.
And it's a little homage to the front porch posts.
Absolutely.
You guys wanna go stay upstairs?
Yeah.
Come on. So this is the master bedroom.
Oh, wow.
That is so pretty.
This is big.
We've got a queen size bed in here right now, but you could easily fit a king
absolutely.
size, a big dresser back here.
This is a really nice size room. I love how they were able to preserve some of the older elements of the home. It feels warm and cozy, and it's open and bright. Just blew me away. Are most of the houses 3-bedroom?
We have a couple like 2-bedroom ones, but I'm trying to renovate most of them to be 3-bedroom.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
We'll let you guys go. But I hope to hear from you soon.
Yeah.
It was really nice meeting you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
Come on.
This is
Yeah.
gorgeous.
You don't want to leave, do you?
No, I don't, actually.
Brooke and the girls decided they wanted to continue their home search, but we did end up getting an offer for $280,000 on the home. We purchased the property for $22,000 and ended up putting about $210,000 into it, which was about $10,000 over budget, all of which went into extra framing and some foundation repairs. So we're all in at $232,000, and with the sales price of $280,000, we stand to make about $48,000. I really think this house is going to help solidify that the Old South Side is, in fact, an up-and-coming neighborhood in Indianapolis.